Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup with CMS collections in Webflow using API step by step clearly. First, log into your Webflow account. Access the project you need to backup. Navigate to the CMS collections section in your Webflow designer. Identify the collection you want to backup. Take note of the collection items you wish to export. Open a new browser tab for the Webflow API documentation. Create a new API key in your Webflow project settings. Make sure you save this key securely for later use. Use a tool like Postman or your preferred code editor to make API requests. Set the endpoint for your API request to retrieve CMS data. The endpoint format should be https://api.webflow.com/collections/left brace collection_id right. Replace collection_id with the actual ID of your CMS collection. Add necessary headers, including your API key and content type. The headers should look like this: authorization, bearer your _API_KEY. Content type, application/JSON. Send a GET request to the specified endpoint. Review the response that returns the collection items. Extract the relevant data you need from the JSON response. You may want to convert this data into a CSV or JSON format. Use a script or a tool to format this data as per your needs. Save the formatted data onto your local machine. Perform this process for each CMS collection you wish to backup. Ensure that you regularly backup your data to prevent loss. Document the process for future reference or other team members. This approach will help you maintain a secure backup of your CMS data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.